Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys see by the title, we are doing another wig review. This here was sent to me from a seller on Amazon. So we're gonna be reviewing a water wave Brazilian wig, and I believe this one is an 18 inch. So this is the box right here. We got this lashes right here. So this is a water wave lace front wig, and it's also human hair. A water wave lace front wig is also human hair, 100% unprocessed. It's a Brazilian virgin hair, and I think the lace is 13x4. It's an 18 inch, and this wig is $96. All right, so let's just see if it's worth the money, girl. This is what it comes in right here. It's a T-part wig, and it's water wave, and they sent me an 18 inch. Okay, so we got two combs on the side, and let's see if we got one in the back here, and we also have one in the middle here. Gonna turn it all the way on inside out so you guys see. So the lace goes all the way back here. So this is the lace here. Give you guys a little close up. See exactly what it looks like. It's very thin in the end. Okay, this don't look like 18 inch. Am I tripping? The hair is very thick in the, like right here, and it's very thin in the end, as you guys can see. Let me put my hand through it. Yeah, it's very thin in the end. Like, why? Why it is like that? It says an 18 inch, so I'm just like trying to put my hand through it to see what we getting, but it's getting really thick though. As I put my hand through it, you guys can see, but I don't know for the length. So we have some like white hair somewhere here. So I put my hand through it so you guys could see the length of it, what you're getting, if it's worth the money. I'm getting a little shedding, not that much, and you put your hand through it. But I just want to do this so you guys could see the, you know, if it's thick, if it's thin, because without putting your hand through it, you won't know what the hair looks like. So you always try to do this like that so you know about the thickness. And I'm just trying to open it out. You know, I put water in it and tame it down, but I just want you guys to see it's got pretty thick. As you guys could see how this side looks and this side. It's not pre-plucked, so it don't look like it's plucked. So this is what the wig looks like. It's drying down a little bit now, so it's a little bit frizzy, but I like it like this, even though it's a little freezy. I don't have anything in here besides water, so we're just gonna go with it. I just want to show you guys exactly what you're getting if you decide to get this wig, and the length, and you know, this is what the length look like. In the beginning I was like, what is this? But it's unprocessed, so you know, you have to play with the hair and style it however you want, but I like it. It's full enough for me. Now the one thing that I don't like in the front, I think where the lace is, there's not enough like here in the front. Like I had to take the wig off my head and try to cover the tracks, because like right over here you guys could see the track right here. Okay, as you guys could see, there's a spot right here, and I tried to, like, you know, cover it up, try to take some hair and put on the other side, but it's still not working. This side of the wig need hair as well, so that is the only con about this wig. And in the front as well, I feel like right here, you see, like you could see the track right here, you know, so you have to like really cover it. I feel like it's a little thin in the front, so that is the only con about this wig, but I still do like it. No, I don't think it's worth the price, because you know, if you're paying $96 for a wig like this, you want to get your money's worth. You get a little shedding and it has a smell, so you have to wash this hair if you decide to wear it. That is the only thing that I've seen that I don't like about this wig, but other than that, it's okay. It's full enough. I like the water wave. You probably will get a different experience if you wash it. I don't know, because I didn't wash it. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. Everything will be listed in the description box down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Also, I have an Amazon storefront if you guys want to purchase this wig. So thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.